But over the weekend, I rewatched one of my favorite sci-fi movie, The Martian. I'll explain later why I picked up this movie, and no pun intended, but it was full of poop science. Alright, a quick review. Spoiler alert. NASA astronaut Mark Watney, played by Matt Damon, got stranded on Mars. To survive, he has to figure out a way to get water and nutrients and waste to fertilize Martian soil and grow emergency crops, potatoes. And that's what we were talking about today. It seems many scientists have been considering potato as a staple food item by the time humans can eventually live on Mars. In 1995, potatoes were the first crops to be grown in space.
Destination Mars.
NASA scientists even put together a potato lab in South America to test this. And just last week, another breakthrough has put humans one step closer to space buds. New technology for hybrid potatoes now allows for potatoes to be grown from actual seeds. You heard that right. And this is major progress. First, let's check out how Matt Damon's character did it on Mars. I stop here, and that's how we have been growing potatoes on Earth for centuries. Unlike other major crops, we grow potatoes from seed potatoes, not potato seeds. Seed potatoes, potato seeds. Seed potatoes are tubers, or potatoes that can be replanted. And this is where the issue comes in. New tubers cultivated is a clone of another tuber, which means they are genetically identical. So what we eat today is basically not much different from what we've been eating for centuries. They cannot be structurally improved. While rice, wheat, and corn now have stronger, higher yield varieties, potatoes are still the same old way. Transportation is also a burden. If you want to grow potatoes on Mars, you need to carry actual potatoes to Mars. For reference, it's estimated to cost around $23,000 per kilogram to send cargo to the International Space Station. So shipping things to Mars would be... Anyway. And that's the highlight of this research. Chinese scientists say they want to develop parent lines to create a variety that can perform better when crossbreeding potatoes. And this used to be a challenge because it requires self-pollination, which may not generate healthy seeds. But now they say they have a better understanding of potatoes from the genome level. This means they must figure out how each gene functions so they can get rid of dysfunctional genes. This would allow for the replacement of seed potatoes with actual seeds. Of course, this technology is mainly being developed to benefit growers and consumers on Earth, but who knows? At least now we're aware that if you want to grow potatoes on Mars, you may just need a small pack of seed instead of a sack of potatoes. And that brings us to the end of this episode. If you like this video, make sure to leave us a like or a comment. Follow our page for instant access to more of our content. Until next time.